Okay, in these problems, what we're doing is factoring with no coefficients, which means there's no number in front of this x squared. So what I do automatically, I put my two parentheses, and then I put an x and an x because I have an x squared. Okay, then let's see, I have x squared minus x minus 12. So my next step is I'm going to take my 12, and I'm going to list my factors of 12. I have 1 times 12, I have 2 times 6, and I have 3 times 4. Okay, my goal is this middle term. My goal is to get a -1. Here are my 3 options. The only way for me to get a -1 is a 3 and a 4, a +3 and a -4. When I add those together, I get a -4. So I get +3, +3, -4 as my answer. Therefore, we get choice B. Number 2, okay, we have z's. We have z squared plus 10z plus 25. So we make our 2 sets of parentheses. We put a z and a z. Okay, and we list our factors of 25. 1 times 25 and 5 times 5. My goal is to get a +10. The only way for me to get a +10 is a +5 and a +5 when I add those together. So +5 and +5, which we can also write as z plus 5 squared, which is choice D. Okay, and lastly, number 3, we have x squared plus 3x minus 28. We make our 2 sets of parentheses. We put an x and an x. Our factors of 28. 1 times 28. 2 times 14. 4 times 7. Okay. My goal is to get a +3. Our only way to get a +3 is a -4 and a +7. When I add those together, the only way for me to get a +3. So -4, +7. So we get the answer D,